Get ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. Family Court, by means of order dated 30/5/2018 and 1/5/2019, directed the applicant to pay Rs 4,000 per month as interim maintenance to respondent numbers 2 and 3 stop. It has further been submitted that she also filed a criminal revision number 592/2019 before this court, where certain directions have been issued by this court for payment of amount of maintenance to the respondent number 2 stop para. With regard to the controversy in the present dispute, it has been submitted that respondent number 2 moved an application on 7/5/2019 under section 19 of Domestic Violence Act, 2005 before Judicial Magistrate 3rd, Faizabad, along with a complaint under section 12 of Domestic Violence Act, 2005, seeking appropriate direction to the applicant to provide for her residence stop. The applicant opposed the said application and filed his objections before the trial court, and the application under section 12 read with section 19 of Domestic Violence Act, 2005 was rejected by the trial court by means of order dated 13/8/2019 stop para. The proviso to section 12 of Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, 2005 has been duly considered and interpreted by this court as well as several other high courts stop. It has been so interpreted as to mean that the trial court is under obligation to consider the report of the protection officer or the service provider while considering the application under section 19 of Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, 2005, if the same is available on record stop. In case there is no report available on record, then the magistrate is not under any obligation to call for the same before passing any orders on an application under section 19 of Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, 2005 stop. This aspect of the matter has been duly considered by the Additional District and Session Judge, Court number 11, Faizabad, while deciding the revision petition filed by respondent number 2, where the applicant was also heard stop. I do not find any infirmity with this aspect of the matter as dealt by the trial court stop para. The legal aspect of the said matter has already been considered above, and it has been brought on record that there was no report of the protection officer / service provider under section 12 of the Domestic Violence Act, and therefore the same could not have been considered by the magistrate while passing the impugned order stop para. A perusal of the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, 2005 as well as the rules of 2006 would indicate that an aggrieved person, as described in section 2 (a) can either move an application herself to the magistrate or may give information to the protection officer with regard to the commission of an act of domestic violence stop. In case the application / information is given to the protection officer, he shall make a domestic incidents report in the manner prescribed to the magistrate and also forward a copy thereof to the police officer in charge of the police station within local limits of postal section. Domestic violence is alleged to have been committed stop. Thank you.
क्या चाहिए बदले में हमें? बस एक प्यारा सा लाइक, तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार। सब्सक्राइब यार, सभी की मांगे मैं पूरी करता हूँ। मेरी एक ही तो मांग रहती है कि सब्सक्राइब कर दो चैनल को, और जिन्होंने नहीं किया है कर दो यार, आज जोड़ के विनती है।